Okay, you depraved gypsy scrappers combing the street for electronics. Today, I'm going to make every Xbox fan happy. I'm going to take apart this old PS3. I'm a PlayStation fanboy, so. But you Xboxers, you're going to love this. I remember playing Dead Space on the PS3. It's just absolutely amazing. I got so hooked on it. It's one of my favourite games. But today I'm going to destroy the platform that enabled one of my favourite games. With consoles, it's always interesting to see how they packaged. I took apart an Xbox, one of the first ones. So the best thing to do, you can either open it up with an axe or look around and see what you can find. So if you want to take apart a console, always try and find one of the access points. So the PS3 looks like it's locked up tight. There's no screws on the outside. What there is, look, see, like a little thing there. And there's a screw there. That's where you begin. That's the hard drive, I think. But what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to try and find a way to open this up. And then we'll get back to you. Back soon, you Xbox fanboys. So I was definitely right. It was a hard drive. How much storage do we have in this? Oh, there we go. 80 GB. Not very big at all. Considering Red Dead Redemption 2 was like about that. You can see how big games are getting now. Wouldn't even store one of our modern games. Look, this is a hole. The lovely slot. I'm going to find a way to get in. So I'll let you guys know how I find a way. That's extruded aluminium as well, I think. We can use that. Keep it. Okay, so the hood pops up, or the bonnet, if you're English like me. So she is exposing herself. So there's loads of nice screws here. So I'm just going to undo all these screws and see what we got within. Sorry, PS3. Okay, guys, so I muscled myself in after getting these screws off. Very nice and long. It's a lot easier than the first Xbox. It was like a bloody fortress. So I just have to break the edges off there, see. And it popped up. Very nice. I hope this was broke, but even trying to sell one of these, you're only getting about $30 anyway. I just want to recycle it. I think this is the processor. Could be wrong, look at that dust. Woo! Alright guys, so I'm going to try and undo some of these fun screws and I'll get back to you with what I find. So I think someone at Sony development team was all about them curves. Curviest piece of equipment I've ever seen. It does lift up nicely once you do all the screws off. There we go. Wonder what that is. Warning. Do not open, otherwise you will go blind. So let's be careful there. It could be the CD drive this. So I'll have to just put that aside and see what happens after. We'll get back to you on that one. I'm not sure if I'd open it up. Yeah, there it comes up. Went up. Last of the curves. Cool. Looks like there might be something in that. I'll have to open them up. I'll get back to you soon on that. But underneath, what we found is a nice dusty piece of metal. Look at those gold pins as well. Very nice. See why consoles cost so much money, can't you? So I'll undo the screws on these and them, and I'll try and show you what we got at the end of it. And if I find anything else, I'll show you dirty scrappers like myself what we got. I just read it again. Class 2 radiation. If I want a passport to Chernobyl, I'm not opening this up. Sorry scrappers, but yeah, just be careful because you don't want to go blind. But this thing here I did open up because it was safe, and it's just a power supply. Look at that. It's alright though. Got a few bits of copper that we can take, especially them bits. I collect these ones because they're nice and big. Them ones I just get in a little separate box and try and sell to my scrapyard. Nice big bit there, and some nice pieces over there. Just a basic power board there. So yeah, I'm just going to chuck this, and I'll get all this open for you scrappers, frothing at the mouth, and we'll see what we've got. This beautiful hanger was what we saw at the start. Let's look, open up. So this is the unveiling. I'm going to take its armour off, show the golden organs underneath. Oh, very sexy. Look at this thing, very dusty. Look, you got some nice gold plated pins there. And I'm not sure what these are. NEC. Duncan. Oh yeah, so that's the connectivity. That helps you go online. So you got some MLCs, bit of copper plating or gold plating around it. So we'll just see if it's double-sided. Ah, missed a screw. I want to get another old Xbox though, because taking that thing apart was a mission. Absolute tank. I managed to pull it off. It was just stuck underneath here. It's connected to some of these cables, so you just pull that off. It pops out very nicely. So you see the one side, this is the second side, so for the second side it's pretty impressive. Now, look at that. 2 processors, free. This is high grade. That's what I love about consoles, always getting the high grade boards. It's on the high end of high. So this is the pied de resistance of high grade board, getting the average everyday appliances. Whereas, you know, you're getting the bigger stuff, the more rarer stuff, like big office printers, industrial size ones, and you've got your server boards as well. And some of the older servers as well, they're even rarer. Those are the best, but these are very nice, especially for the daily scrappers. What do we have here? What don't we have here is the question. You got IC chips. These little reels there, they're actually copper, so you can knock them off and you'll get some copper wire. Got some of those wireless chips as well. Any of you guys know what are in some of these wireless chips? These NEC Tonkin chips. Let me know in the comments. A bit of gold flash in there as well, see on the board. A few good IC chips. All around the board. Oh, it's massive. I love it. There's a little mini board there as well, some nice looking chips too. And that, connector point for the USB, and there's a gold plated as well. And the connector points. Just loads of nice connector points there. There's not a lot of weight on this at all, so really the only thing you're going to take off is this lithium battery, and the rest is just beautiful. And it weighs like loads. Can feel the weight of it. God, it's probably half a kilo or something, easy. So yeah, that's brilliant. That's high grade. Getting lucky with the high grades this month. Shiny. And this is really cool as well, because the average scrapper might overlook this, but that's extruded aluminium, I think. So this is what the heatsink was. Look at that. Now, to tell if it's aluminium or steel, you need to see if it's magnetic. If it's magnetic, it's steel, but if not, it's aluminium, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong there. This thing here looks like a turkey's neck. Metallic turkey. So yeah, that's really cool. We'll see that. I've got two pieces that could be extruded aluminium. Extruded aluminium is like machined aluminium, so it gives you a bit more money. I'll try and take this out, this fan. Some scrappers might not want to take it, but I want to see if there's anything good in there. So I'll get back to you guys soon. This is the fan. Woo. I think there's a bolt that you need to undo. It's in there, so I might just chuck that in a motor box. So I'm going to keep it aside for a rainy day. Okay guys, so this is what we actually ended up with. We probably would have had an extra processing board, but I just didn't want to open up the Chernobyl reactor. So we got just a basic power board. High-end matte denim motherboard. Look at that thing. Double-sided. Sexy on both. And we've got some extruded aluminium. A nice extruded heatsink that looks like a modern turkey's neck. So you Xbox nerds that hate PlayStation, I've done you a solid. I'll try and do an Xbox 360 video soon. I want to get hold of some modern consoles as well and see if there's much of a difference in the gold. Okay, you frothing at the mouth, bubonic plague, grappers. If you like the video, absolutely annihilate the subscribe button, punch the notification bell. If you've got any ideas, let me know in the comments. And if you've got any questions, let me know as well. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Keep scrapping.